Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix DragonSword Awakening game lagging or freezing, stuttering, low FPS issue on PC. So let's find the solution. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs that is needed to play the game hassle-free on your system. Make sure your PC have all the required specs. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on the arrow icon below and right click on the Steam icon, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart our PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. After that, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to solve the problem. But if the issue is still continuous, come back again, type -windowed and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Or you can go through the link, just open it. After that, here you have to enter the graphic details manually. After that, click on find option and now here you will get the details of your graphics card. You have to click on view and you will get a download option as well as the details of your graphics card and size. So click on download option and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should move to the next method. Well, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and now try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, after that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache and here you will get the clear cache. This will clear a local download and restart Steam. So you'll need to log into Steam, confirm it. After that, log into your Steam using your username and password and after that again launch the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on advanced, click on settings. Here you have to click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set, click on OK. After this, launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if any update is available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time, and after that close this, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into the game, click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Here under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the download option. This will download DirectX. After it is downloaded, you have to open it and install it. And after installing it, now log into the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. And after doing this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. And after that, try to play the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to disable overclocking of CPU or GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it. And after that, try to log into the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues even after following the methods, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC once. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. This will restart your PC, and after your system restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall DragonSword Awakening game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or launching or not.